Yellowstone is one of the largest volcanoes in the world, with scientists confident that it is preparing to explode one day in the near future. The volcano, just one example of the world's handful of supervolcanoes, has experienced 3 eruptions in the last 3 million years. The last one occurred 630,000 years ago, and is 1,000 times larger than the eruption of Mount St Helens in 1980, an event that caused more than $1 billion, £741 million, of damage. During Yellowstone's last eruption, large volumes of material caused the ground to collapse, creating the depression now known as the caldera, which was 55 kilometers by 80 kilometers wide. The next eruption is expected to have catastrophic effects worldwide, and is explored during the short documentary What If Yellowstone Volcano Erupted Tomorrow, Narrator notes. Right now in the US, one of the world's largest volcanoes is preparing to explode. If Yellowstone decides to erupt, the results will be devastating. It has erupted 3 times in the last 3 million years, which has some wondering if we should be worried about another eruption in the near future. But if an eruption happens tomorrow, and you live in North America, there's almost nothing you can do to prepare. In geological and volcanic terms, the near future could mean hundreds of thousands of years from now. However, the documentary goes on to look at potential lava outflows, noting that Yellowstone is likely to produce a small amount of lava flow. This is because before lava becomes lava, it is known as something called magma. Most of Yellowstone's magma will not turn into lava, as the intensity of the eruption will force most of it to shoot into the sky. Then they become ash particles in the air, tiny scorching bits of jagged rock. This alone will affect more or less the entire US and Canada. Tens of millions of people within a 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, radius will die. Ash, once inhaled, will form a cement-like mixture in your lungs, causing suffocation. Meanwhile, outside the building is about to collapse. Just 30 centimeters, 12 inches, of ash is enough for the roof to collapse. Experts suggest that, even if you were out of the 1,000 kilometers range, you would still be in trouble because, even on the east coast of the US, about a centimeter of ash would fall, an amount that is still dangerous for human lungs. Some of the ash will spread to Europe, while the rest of the world will experience extreme weather changes. Global temperatures will drop by about 10 degrees Celsius, and could last for a decade.